Yeah, look at that. Where's that tree? Stuff. And those power lines are so. That power line's down.
I don't think you can isolate photos from it though, Ray.
You can take a screenshot, Mom. It doesn't matter. Why do you want photos?
Well, I'm not. I don't know.
I'm gonna just put the video on YouTube and be like, oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my god. That tree. And those trees are just
You can't
big.
move it too fast though. Nobody will look at it.
No, you can see it. Seriously. I got it. That's terrible. That tree right there.
It looked more. It
Ginormous.
was obviously more dramatic from the other direction.
Where's the police?
Look this
Whoa,
building
let's
right
look
here because
here.
it's taco.
Which one?
That one right there on the left with the white.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
These power lines right here.
Oh my lord. So low to the ground. Look at that. Just like right in front of us. Yeah, that building.
See, look at that tree right through the roof right there.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah, I see.
Hey, you talk about strong smelling.
Pine, yeah.
Look at that.
I know.
It's a good thing about those
Buildings.
areas. And this little farm's okay. Except for the, look, there's trees pulling down here.
Look at that power line right there.
Oh, look, here's our dog grooming place.
Oh god.
That's where Socks was due to go this morning.
Dang.
But look, it didn't hit the house.
Well, that's good. Maybe they can clear it up.
They can clear it up. Look at this.
Yeah.
It did hit a little bit.
Oh,
but
they got the fence. But...
no, it got the side of the house.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
uprooted. That's why.
Yeah, it's uprooted. Look at all of this.
Okay, let's go over here about this. This is uprooted right in front of this
Yeah,
little
I know.
antique shop. Want to park here and see if we can walk where the Krispy Kreme is?
What Krispy Kreme?
I know Dairy Queen.
Oh, yeah, sure.